Of this government is directly linked with the mafia, which is dealing with drugs, which is dealing with gold, and which is dealing with commission. This government has specialized in underworld activities. The chief minister is acting like a man who is deputed by the underworld mafia to rule the state. He is not behaving like an elected representative, but instead, all his interest, all his power, all his men on his right and left is just acting for this mafia. That is why we are in an insulted situation where the central agencies are marching to Kerala one after another. We are not big fans of the central agencies. We know how they act. But in this case, the state government is refusing themselves to get inquired by any state agencies or a judicial inquiry. But instead, they were just trying to boast that they call the central agencies over here to Kerala. But when the central agencies act, they are crying foul. This is not fair. It's high time that the chief minister must step down. He has no moral right, he has no democratic right, and he has no standing with the law also to continue in the power of chief minister of Kerala. His left and right, Sri Shivashankar and Sri C.M. Ravindran, both was the key persons in the government. And without the knowledge of chief minister, those persons will not move a step ahead that we know. In case of Sprinkler also, we came to see that chief minister protecting the Shivashankar amidst of all cries from the allies in the government. He was stubborn to protect Shivashankar. Why it was so? It was so just because that Shivashankar knows all the illegal activities that is connected with Swapna, chief minister, his office, and even his family. So they are protecting these criminals. They are protecting the interest of mafia. Kerala cannot bear such a government hereafter. We have never seen such a government where the chief minister's office has indulged in gold smuggling, and the party, the government which is in rule, that party's secretary's son has been alleged of drug business. That is against the state interest. That is against the youngsters of this Kerala. Youth Congress would like to know what is the stand of DYFI in this. They are a youth organization. I have seen them doing program against drugs, against this they are doing public program against drugs. What is now their stand? Their own leader's son, he is transporting drugs to the Kerala. He is being the agent of drug transportism. And these guys who deal with drug business are said to be the binami of their secretary's son. So CPIM has lost all their moral standings, and it looked like they have deposited their morality in Swapna Suresh's account as fixed deposit.